everyone, Kelly Rugg here from Logomark, and I'm excited to tell you more about the VM2000 mini tape measure keyring. These tape measures are made of a tough ABS construction. They have a rubber grip, tape lock, and 25mm split ring. It extends out to 6 feet long and has both inches and metric markings. Now these come in 3 different colors: blue, yellow, or red, and takes a vinyl decoration on the front or back. To learn more about this product, please contact your promotional products distributor.